Our vacation continues, but sadly, our Alaska land and sea tour comes to an end. But what a memorable land and sea cruise it was. Ladies and gentlemen, beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia. Disembarkation went smooth, but finding ground transportation, well, let's just say that was a little bit of a problem. All in all, we checked into our hotel and then headed out for a bite to eat. We decided on the Tap and Barrel, beautiful location in the heart of Vancouver, right by the water. The Tap and Barrel is located in Jack Pool Plaza, right next to the Olympic Cauldron. As you can imagine, this is a destination attraction. Downtown Vancouver is amazing with its majestic, beautiful, tall buildings and its breathtaking waterfront views. There was also a demonstration by local Palestinians who were letting their voices be heard, concerned about treatment of their fellow countrymen in the Middle East. Our stay was brief, so when in Canada, you head to Tim Hortons. The next morning, we were up bright and early to get through customs before heading out on the Amtrak from Vancouver to Portland. Yes, there is a train that goes from Vancouver, British Columbia to Portland, Oregon. And I must say, getting through customs was a breeze, not only at the Amtrak, but once we got off the ship in Vancouver as well. The train departed Vancouver on time, and we were on our way back to the good old US of A. And before we knew it, we were at the customs stop at the US-Canada border. Again, getting through customs was a breeze. There were some awesome sights to see, and the train ride was amazing. It's about an 8-hour train ride from Vancouver to Portland, Oregon, but really, it doesn't seem that long. Time does go by fast. Rolling into Seattle, we had the opportunity to get off the train and stretch our legs. We took a quick walk, stretched our legs, took a couple pictures, then got back on board. Remember this place? This is where the Seattle Seahawks play, Lumen Field. Once again, the train ride was spectacular, passing through small towns and some smaller cities, enjoying every bit of it. Our next major stop was Tacoma, Washington. Just a quick stop. We didn't have the opportunity to get off the train. Before you knew it, we're back on our way. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Portland, Oregon. Portland is characterized by its beautiful natural surroundings, including the nearby Columbia River Gorge, Mount Hood, and numerous parks within the city. In addition to its cultural attractions, Portland is also known for its quirky neighborhoods, each with its own unique charm. After checking into our hotel, we met up with friends who live right outside the Portland area for some dinner. What a good time it was to see them. After dinner, we retired for the night and readied ourselves for our last day of vacation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Your support helps me create more great content.